Alright, what's happening YouTube? This is Full-Time Grind 79 back again with another pickup video. This is going to be a brief video, probably one of my shortest videos. My last few videos have been probably 12 minutes, 13, 15 minutes, so I'm not going to keep your attention that long because based on analytics, y'all only pay attention like 2 minutes or 3 minutes anyway, you know what I'm saying, or y'all fast forward. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I appreciate you all for subscribing. I appreciate you all for coming checking on your boy. And anyway, this is let's get to the pickups, man, because before I even do that, let me show some appreciation for the 71 subscribers that I currently have as of this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for you know, just appreciating what I'm doing, man, and wanting to, you know, continue seeing more because I got a lot in store. I have 2 new channels that'll be popping up in the next month or so. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to do a lot of things at once, man. Jack of all trades, man. You gotta have more than one hustle, and believe me, I am that person to do it. So anyway, without further talking, because I want to keep this brief, because as you know, I can continue to talk. Let's get into the pickups. Damn. First pickup is from End. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I took a peek at the shoes already. It came in this bag, but man, I was highly anticipating this sneaker because I got the other 2 in the background, man. So I wanted to see what this one, how this compares it to the other 2. So anyway, if you ever order from End, it'll come in that plastic bag with the brown End box. I'm gonna tell you what. Foreign shippers, they ship way better than domestic. Nike, y'all need to step your game up, man, because last 2 packages I got was from Sneakers and Stuff. This one from End. No, you don't have to go through all that. This thing had 1 sticker, one little piece of plastic. Take that off, lift the lid, open the box. There's your sneakers. I mean, how simple is that? Got your little envelope. I didn't take a peek at that, so we can look at this together. Got a little envelope in clothing.com, and look at that little sheen to that, man, like a little trim on there. I don't know, that's a little gloss. Anyway, let's see what it says. Maybe it's just some receipts or something. Hope it's some discounts. Okay, you got the End app. If you haven't downloaded that, do that right now, because they got a lot of exclusive stuff, and they get stuff before we get it a lot of times. Some stuff they get that we don't get. Got your business card. Alright. What else we got in here? Okay, I'm liking this little package. Okay, this is the receipt. Alright, can't show you all that. Got an address on it. That is the receipt. And let's get to the shoes, man. Damn. I can get inside of it. There you go, that's what she said, jokes. Anyway, y'all seen Nike boxes before, man. That's the Nike box. Let's see what the label says. Nike Air More Money. Quick Strike. Size. What? Oh, you know what? I just realized, okay, this is a 10.5. I hope this fits, because it says 9.5 on the box. Then it says 10.5 on the, see that? Look, 9.5. When you order UK sizes, you got to make sure, because they're half size off from us. So I had to go get their UK 9.5. It translates to a US 10, supposedly. But as you can see right here, you got 10.5 right here on the box. Then you got 9.5 over here. So man, I got it. This is why I hope this works out, because I need size 10, not 10.5. But if, you know, whatever, I keep it. Anyway, you got your, you know, your little shroud, your plain shroud. This is oh wait, let me tell you the colorway of this one. This is the UK version, matter of fact. So the colorway is barley gray, hyper jade black. Barley gray. So you got your barley gray, hyper jade black. That's the plain shroud, the tongue, you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. Whew, great gracious. And here's the sneaker, man. What do y'all think? How do y'all think it compares to our U.S. version and the Japanese version? I still got to get that France version, but I don't know. I'm kind of liking this one. Check the air bubble out. Can you see that air bubble? Got that green going on in there, that jade green. Got get paper on the and jade green on the tongue, on the shroud there. You got that flag on the back. You got the their money currency symbol on the back as well. I think our suede is good on this, but I think our suede is better. I think our suede is so far the best on that U.S. version. You also got the chrome or silver tips on the aglets. You push those right through here. That's what I really like. That's on all of them. Got the black outsole, black bottom with the jade green swoosh on there. And also got a, hopefully y'all gonna be able to see this tongue kind of covers it up. Anyway, you got a jade green swoosh on the inside with a black footbed on the inside of there as well. And okay, you got the currency logo on the bottom as well with that jade green swoosh on there. Hopefully y'all can see that. But man, I'm liking these, man. I'm really liking these. I can't wait to try them on, put them on feet. I won't be doing this video because this is a pickup video. So that's the first pickup. Only one more pickup. This is from Everlane. And this is apparel. I got this from suggestion from Eddie Wynn. I like a lot of his videos. I follow him as well. Okay, this is his. He had this in a recent pickups video, and this is a hoodie. This is an Everlane pink hoodie. It's still wintertime, you know what I'm saying? Because it was cold early this morning, but here in Atlanta, but got the sun that came out, so it's crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on. You got the radical transparency. I'm not even gonna go through this. Okay, what is that? Here's a little something to feel good about. Okay, I like that. All right, so this is what it looks like on. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is my first time ordering for Everlane. This has got kind of like, he did say it kind of has that crop fit to it. So I ordered a size large because I like my stuff to fit kind of snug. I don't like the big baggy look, but I do like the color. I do like, everything is perfect. I like the kangaroo pockets. I like the drawstrings on the hoodie. I'm not 100% sold on the length, because it does have that crop look. If this comes exactly like right to your waist, but the best thing to do is put a t-shirt up under it to give it a little bit more length, give it a little bit more what's the word? I can't think of the right word right now, but layering. Give it a little bit more layering, and it'll be perfect, man. Don't even worry about it, because I wouldn't wash this in a washing machine. This is going straight to the cleaner, so I ain't got to worry about no shrinkage, because I don't play around with the clothes I like. The clothes I really like, they go to the cleaners. Anyway, this has been a quick pickup video of the Air More Money Air More Money UK and the Everlane pink hoodie. I'll leave a link in the description for the hoodie, and a link if you want to pick up these. I think they had them at and at Sneakers and stuff, and I think they had another restock on another European retailer. But I'll leave both in the description. And hey, it's Full-Time Grind 79. Hey, please continue to subscribe. Please continue to share. We're growing, and I'm really proud of the channel. It's I'm going to be I'm gonna be doing a lot of changes, man. It's gonna get better. I'm gonna get better camera equipment. I've just been investing a lot into this thing, and I'm enjoying it. Anyway, like I said, it's Full-Time Grind 79. Please like, dislike, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be checking y'all on the next video. And I'm out.